Okay, this is how to make an Airsoft Tripmine or Claymore, whatever you want to call it. First you're going to need a mouse trap, and then you put some duct tape or tin foil right there, and then have a zip tie and put it back in the hole, and that'll keep it. If you want it a little more back or forward so it won't go all the way down, and then get some dental floss or some fishing loop line and tie it in there and make it kind of as long as you want it, and then tie it to a nail or fence. So I just used a pencil, and then when you stake this into the ground or something, then they'll hit that line, and it'll pull that and it'll set it off, and then either you can put some nails on the four corners, or you can just put them kind of like in the center so it won't jump around or anything. And yeah, that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any questions on anything, just comment or something and just ask.